Hello dear students, welcome to the GK class of Standard 5. In the previous session, we studied chapter number 26, Constellation. And today we are going to start with the lesson number 27, Take a Spacewalk. This whole chapter is about space. You will also familiar with some space objects and with some new words of space. Here the first man-made satellite Sputnik 1 was sent into orbit around the Earth by the Russians in 1958. The United States launched its first satellite. Children, here satellite is anything that orbits around a larger object. There are two kinds of satellites, a natural satellites and artificial satellites. A natural satellite is any celestial body in space that orbits around a larger body. Example is moon. So moons are called natural satellites because they orbit planets. And satellites that are made by people and launched into orbit using rockets are called artificial satellites. So this Sputnik 1 is the artificial satellite and was sent into orbit around the Earth by the Russians in 1958. And the United States launched its first satellite. There are thousands of artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. And usually satellites refers to a machine that is launched into space and moves around Earth or another body in space. Earth and the moon are examples of natural satellites. Thousands of artificial or man-made satellites orbit Earth. Now Aryabhata is India's first satellite, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1975. So India has also launched its first satellite's name was Aryabhata. It was sent to do some experiments related to astronomy. So this Aryabhata was sent to do some experiments related to sun, planet, moon and constellation. That means the scientific study of the sun, moon, stars, etc. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, the full form of ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization, has launched many satellites since then. Means after the Aryabhata, ISRO has launched many satellites. Some satellites are used to give us information about the weather. Communication satellites are used to transmit radio and television signals. These satellites are used to give us information about the weather and to transmit radio and television signals. Here, solve the puzzle. Horizontal key are given and here across key are given and here down keys are given. Using this clue, you can solve this puzzle. Here, clues are given of across and down. First one, it is the study of space. The study of space is called astronomy. So here first, here across we can write here astronomy, ASTRONOMY, astronomy. Second one, it is a smaller body revolving around a planet. So before also I have told that a satellite is anything that orbits around a larger object. The second one, it is a smaller body revolving around a planet. So here we can write satellite. It is satellite, SCTELLITE, satellite. Then third one, Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on it. So third is moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on it. So step on moon. So here MOON, moon. Then fourth one, Earth is one of them. Earth is one of them. So 4 number here, planet. A very large round object in space that moves around the sun or another star is called planet. The world we live in, the earth, especially when talking about the environment, is also a planet. So here planet. Number 5. It is the curved path followed by a celestial body as it revolves around another body. It is called orbit. Number 5 is orbit. So this orbit is a regular repeating path that one object in space takes around another one. An object in an orbit is called a satellite. A satellite can be natural like Earth or the Moon. Here orbit means a regular repeating path that one object in space takes around another one. Now number 6. It is a vehicle traveling in outer space. It is a spacecraft. So here I have written spacecraft. Then 7th. It produces hot gases downward to travel upward. It is rocket, a vehicle that is used for travel into space. Then number 8. Animals, plants and human beings live here. This answer is so simple. It is Earth. So here Earth. 8 number is Earth. Now children, here is Mr. Know-All. When the Russians launched the satellite Sputnik 2, the passenger was a dog called Laika. Instruments connected to Laika collected information about the dog's reaction to space travel. So very interesting information here. Now children, here is the end of this session. Your homework is write this exercise in your GK notebook. Just write the answer. It is the study of space. So you have to write here astronomy. Earth is one of them. You have to write here planet. Like that you have to write the answer in your GK notebook. It can be asked as name the following. Thank you.